Welcome to Type Flow, where I document my daily journey of self-improvement with a special focus on learning touch typing. Today marks day 4, and I've got some exciting updates to share. This session was all about tackling something new and tricky, typing uppercase letters using the Shift key. Now here's the thing, I've always relied on the left Shift key, pressing it with my left index finger. But today, I tried using both the left and right Shift keys, which meant relying more on my pinky fingers. Let me tell you, it felt weird. It was like trying to break a habit I didn't even realize I had. I practiced for an hour this morning, and by the end, my pinky finger was aching. I guess it's a muscle that doesn't get much use, so it was a bit of a shock. Because of that, I decided to take it easy in the evening and only practiced for about 30 minutes. But even with the shorter session, today still felt like a win. On one particular practice page, I managed to reach 30 words per minute. Now, I'll be honest, I sacrificed some accuracy to get there, but hitting 30 WPM for the first time felt amazing. It's something I didn't think I could do just a few days ago. I'm realizing that this journey isn't just about speed or accuracy. It's also about consistency, perseverance, and yes, having fun along the way. I'm genuinely proud of how far I've come, and it's a great reminder that small steps can add up to big progress. Before I wrap up, I need your input. Take a look at my accuracy and words per minute displayed on the screen today. How do they compare to my progress from previous days? Am I improving? Do you think my speed is good, or do I need to slow down and focus more on accuracy? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully, I'm getting better every day. Also, I've been wondering, when I practice, I sometimes listen to music. It helps me stay relaxed, but I do get distracted occasionally. What do you think? Is listening to music while practicing touch typing a good idea, like in the gym, or should I focus more without distractions since I'm still new? Let me know what works for you. Finally, if you've made it this far, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to follow my daily updates. Your support means the world to me. And I'd love to hear your feedback, tips, or suggestions on improving my speed and accuracy. If you know of any great videos or resources on touch typing, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5.